it tried to loop, but we won't let it.
We won't let it loop. I was ready though. I was like, oh, a remix.
That's
Okay.
right. We're ready. Look at us. What is this? 2020? Because here we are on stream together.
I mean, what a journey it has been, PJ. We have gone from me trying to help you get a job to me being an unemployed bum, just streaming with you in my free time. Like we've gone full circle. We're here. I'm
Welcome
here.
to the
Brittany is
stream.
here. I wore
Britt's
my Britney
here.
Spears shirt just for you.
It's a good choice. I've got I spoke at an Appright conference and they were like, you want a sweater? I was like, I'm in Florida, but let's do it.
What's this hat say that you have?
Oh, I'm a vibe.
Oh, yes.
And it's hard to read, but it was even harder to read before I added shading with a Sharpie marker to the words.
I was going to say, is that a homemade concoction? I think it's great.
It's homemade. The person I bought it from made it themselves. And I would take it off and show you the inside, but my hair literally looks like the worst hair you've possibly ever seen in your life. But I bought this at a vegan food festival in LA, and I had just eaten some like chicken nuggets, like CHIK''N nuggets.
Nice.
And I saw this hat, and I was like, well, I'm buying this. And I took it home, and I put it on, and then I noticed it's really hard to read, and so I borrowed a Sharpie, and I added shading to it. Now it's way easier to read.
Now, did you purchase this hat? I think we need to catch people up, because people have obviously watched your streams, and they know what's happened to you. But if people are tuning in through my channel, let's, like, catch people up, because I feel like the last time we streamed, you're like, I got a job. And now you have a job, and you just mentioned you went to a freaking vegan festival in LA, and you're like traveling for work. Like, what even is your life now?
Oh yeah,
you're like a businessman.
I'm not a businessman. I'm a businessman.
Man?
Yeah, I'm a businessman.
A businessman.
Yeah. So I guess the last time we streamed, I was like, I got a job. I made it, and it was on the stream with you and Rosie.
And we used to do a show called The Show Must Go Off, parentheses, the air, because the whole point of it, I came up with this idea in the car, and I called PJ, and I was like driving across the Bay Bridge, and I was like, hey, what if we did a show where the whole point of it is to get rid of it? And so we would just stream and be like, oh, fuck, we don't want to do this anymore.
Every single time we were on the air, we were like, we hate it, but we didn't really hate it.
Yeah, I gotta be honest, I've missed streaming. Like, I know it's only been 3 minutes that we've been streaming, but now I'm like, I gotta stream more. And I'm planning to stream more. I want to do a lot of like crafting streams and stuff. Yes. And we're not going to do it on this stream, but PJ, you inspired me. I saw you're learning Python with Code Academy. Is that
Code Academy and April Spate's book, Bite Size Python.
April's book. Here, we'll pose and we'll do a screenshot later.
Oh, I got you.
Here.
I've got a screenshot right now. I have a button for it. Hold on. Okay, screenshot happened. Nailed it. Yeah, I put a screenshot button on my stream deck. Go ahead, tell us.
I got really inspired because I was like, oh, Code Academy. It's been like a hot minute since I've used them. And I've been wanting to do this project. I've probably mentioned it to you before, and I've mentioned it on stream before. So I love The Real Housewives, all franchises. Yeah. I don't discriminate. And everyone's probably familiar with The Real Housewives, where in the beginning, there's like a cold open where it's like, you stole my husband. How dare you? There's caviar on the floor, like some sort of thing like that. And then they're all, okay, so like, let's say it's Orange County. They're all holding oranges, and they'll turn around and they'll be like, not all diamonds are rosé. Like they all have like a intro phrase that they do where it's like, I may not be real, but my face is. Like stuff of that nature. Or like in Beverly Hills, it's all about who you know. Just they all have these taglines. Sometimes Andy Cohen writes them for them. Sometimes they bring their own. Sometimes they have writers, this whole thing. And there's about like, I want to say at least 10 different franchises. There's like Miami, New York, Salt Lake City, Orange County, Beverly Hills, so many. Yeah. And all of them have multiple seasons. So like, I think I'm on season like 8 right now of Beverly Hills.
Oh my God.
But each season has a different catchphrase. And I love all these things that people are doing with machine learning where they're like, this AI wrote a script, or like the obituary line. where it was like, in lieu of flowers, please send life. Like, just it's all just like auto generated based off like a data set. And so I think my technical project that I'm going to start streaming, and PJ, you're more than welcome to join because I'm using Code Academy for it, is I think there's a world in which I could make my own Real Housewives catchphrases, because it's a data set of like, I want to say at least 1,000 catchphrases at this point.
There's
And
gotta
then
be
I could
tons of
just
them.
use like machine learning or Markov chains or something. And I imagine that like the catchphrases that would be created is like, on a yacht, everyone sips caviar. Just like the most outlandish. I just really want to see what it comes up with. But that's going to be my technical project. I want to learn more
I
about
think that
machine
sounds-
learning outside of the Azure Microsoft ecosystem, just like learn all about it. I've seen people do really cool stuff with images with drag queens, where it's like, here's what AI thinks a drag queen looks like, where they like feed those images to it. So I'm just excited to explore technology for the next
For sure.
couple
And yeah,
months.
Code Academy, I'm pretty sure has a whole machine learning like career path that you can go to. So like,
They do.
I mean, it was only I think $40 a month when I did it, and if you pay annually, it's down to like $22 a month because you paid like $250 up front or something.
Oh my god!
And there's
I'm
coupons all
looking
the
at
time. I can't recommend it enough.
my account. I haven't been in Code Academy since I probably did my boot camp, and my recent courses are Code Foundations and Learn JavaScript.
That's
So I
right.
haven't logged in here in a while, but I'm so excited you're learning Python, because Python was my original language.
Oh,
Brandon
I'm
was
very
teaching
excited.
you .NET. I was like, why? I was like, why not Python? But that's so cool.
Yeah,
You're reading
sorry.
April's book.
Yeah, it's helping reinforce what I'm learning on Code Academy, and like the audience it's written for seems to be like more teenagers, because it'll be like, you're in class, and I'm like, that's fine. I pretend I'm a teenager all the time, but it's really helping reinforce our learning. Also, Code Academy has you do everything in their web IDE,
I love
and
that.
this one I'm actually using like idle, and that's important. I want to actually learn how to program for real. So
Code Academy,
learning
please sponsor PJ. Like
Code Academy, Kickstart, Halloween Horror Nights. Who else should sponsor me that I'm already giving free space to? The Midnight.
Yes.
They let me
Scrooge
play their
McDuck.
music on stream. Scrooge McDuck, sponsor me. I want to dive into money too. Don't we all?
Okay, so I'm paying attention. I'm just like, how do I share my screen in here?
There's the little button on the bottom. It's like a laptop with an arrow on it.
The ... I'm just choosing a Canva template. So I told PJ, because I'm lazy.
It's Canva time, y'all.
Let's make a Canva graphic, but I'm picking the most ridiculous ones because it's me. So here's what I have opened.
Sugar Overflow, you're absolutely correct. That Kickstart is still up there, and it will remain up there like a teenager who doesn't clean their room. Actually, you know what else I can do? There's a way to do a chat overlay, and if someone puts a chat in, it'll just show up on the screen now, which is crazy.
Whoa. Wait, I love all these new toys that you have. I've not played with Restream in a little bit.
Restream's dope. Bam. The only problem is my face is over it. The kitty is so cute. You're right, Sugar Overflow. It is so cute.
PJ and Chloe, kitty quote, PJ and Chloe are live. Okay, so here's one option
Thanks,
that
Cat.
I opened up. Cats love milk, but they're actually lactose intolerant.
Milk is bad for them. It's true.
I was gonna say for this one, okay, here we
Thank you for hold on 1K followers, because I hit 1,000 followers.
We do not have 500K viewers. Please join us live right now to fix this.
We got 10, which is it shares a number with 500K. You automatically lose it. That's not. Hold on. Wayne Gretzky said you automatically miss. You miss 100% of the shots you never take.
Right.
And Michael Scott said that.
Wait, what about the International Women's Day? No. Okay. Let's see.
Check it out. That was 5 women.
I'm just trying to find I'm basically trying to create clickbait, where people are like, what is this? 500K? I think that's going to be, what's this one?
Hi, Squizzle Flip. I am
I
a
guess.
teenager. I'm chewing on my this now. That's wild.
What about this one? Fashion sale.
Oh my goodness.
Live stream.
Live stream.
Please need people to join.
How about instead of up to 30% discount, say up to 30% fun?
Yeah, yeah,
Up to 30% enjoyable.
yeah. Enjoyable. Flash sale. Discount.
Flash drive.
Flash drive. Yeah, I think this one's it. We could change the colors on it too.
Or like
Flash drive. Please.
That's right. There's only a 30% chance of fun when PJ's on stream. It's true. It's true.
Live stream. Please, we need people to join up to 30% enjoyable. Flash drive. Please join.
Please, that's right.
I'm gonna change the colors.
It'd be cool if you could like Photoshop her face and just slightly stretch out like her features so they're like just a little weird.
I mean, can I change the woman? No.
Nope. Can't
I could
change
put like
woman.
sunglasses.
You can draw an eye patch on her, yeah.
Eye patch. Like Uncle Drosselmeyer.
I started getting into wrestling, and I'm not embarrassed about it.
Okay.
And so I'm watching AEW wrestling now, and there's a wrestler who's like, her character is that she's like a varsity cheerleader turned wrestler, and she's always been very good and like nice. And the guys who come out with her wear like varsity jackets, and they're like good boys, and they love their mom.
Wrestling is wrestling like WWE.
This is AEW.
What's AEW?
Which is another company. So WWE is like, that's like the biggest one in like the whole world. Basically, AEW is like a little skull on it. AEW is like a new company, but they're on TNT. They're famous. They have big name wrestlers, but they also film one of their shows in Orlando. And I went to a taping the other day. So anyway, this character, her name's Julia, and she was like what's called like a face, which is a good guy, but they're slowly turning her into a heel, which is a bad guy. So she was wrestling, and like someone like spit in her eye, and now her eye is injured, so she wears an eye patch, and she's slowly doing worse and worse.
The time of Rona, like you can't spit in an eye.
No, yeah, you can't. No, because it's wrestling, and they're not sick.
I see. It's Florida.
Yes, it actually wasn't even. It wasn't even like wrestling. It was just a Floridian just spit on her. But no, so like now when she wrestles, you'll see her getting like doing like bad guy things, like not stopping when the bell goes, or like being mean to their partner or whatever. So like it's funny. There's like this purposeful slow turn for her as a character, and I'm absolutely here for it because it started with an evil looking eye patch, and that makes me happy.
Oh my god. Okay, I think we have to do the video version of it. Like, I was just gonna save the regular file. Oh my god, look at it's like very interesting when you search eye patch.
Yeah, that's that's a 23-second video of just an elderly woman,
just
Canva
swaying.
Why would someone need that?
I don't know, but like honestly, Canva has maybe I should apply to work at Canva, honestly. I use Canva every ding dong day. Oh my god. I think we need to is there anything else we need to add before we like this?
Are there like can you do like vampire fangs?
Oh yeah. Can we do vampire fangs?
I'm sure we can. But we need to like insert
video of an older woman with an eye patch, then I will be disappointed without fangs.
Oh yes, right there, that second one. You can just stick it in her mouth. What is happening?
Oh, I don't like the black line on it.
Oh yeah. Is there any way you can if you go smaller with it, it'll blend into her.
She's not showing her teeth.
Yeah.
So I think we have to do lips. That's just scary. I don't like that.
We don't know what it's for, Dr. G. We're just doing. What is happening here? One of my favorite musical artists is a guy named Vampire Stepdad. And
Vampire Weekend?
No. Like Vampire Stepdad, and it's an '80s synthwave band, and he sends like email blasts pretending to be like your stepfather, and he's like, "Hey kid, I know you're worried about your mom, and I am too, but I just want you to know I love her, even though I'm a vampire."
Wow. Like mom's
Vampire
got a date with
Stepdad's
a vampire.
yes, and like he has an album that's a whole show. And one of the songs, he has a song called "The Cough" (parentheses) where a little blood comes out (end parentheses).
Stop. Only you would like know and subscribe to this.
I love Vampire Stepdad. Everyone go. This is now a Vampire Stepdad stream. I'm gonna find his stuff. I don't know if I have permission to stream his music, but it's a lot like what you're listening to now. Vampire Stepdad is going in the chat, and all of you should go and listen to Vampire Stepdad.
I'm gonna say I think we're do we need one more thing here? Do you think like this?
Oh, can't hear music.
What do you think, PJ?
I think that's probably a good idea.
Do you want I don't know, I selected a gator because I know that you love gators. But also
I really like that gator though. That's cool.
should we put pictures of us?
Probably. Like our faces should be there somewhere. Maybe in that red circle in the background.
Yeah, I'm gonna put live stream. Please, we need people to join. Look, graphic design is our passion.
I love how I was like, we're gonna work on bots, but just like every stream we do, we spend time working on a Canva instead.
We gotta warm me up. It's been so long since.
Okay, gotta get those fingers ready for typing.
Good image of you. Twitter.com.
Do you maybe still have the one of us as twins?
Yes. Let me see if I can find it on my desktop. Okay, hold on. Where would I find that? Twins. Okay. I think I know where to find it. For people who don't know what we're talking about, we have streamed before. Ooh, my files. Okay, while you do this, PJ, you should tell people about the well, we haven't released your newest episode, but you came onto Sarah and I's podcast and you did an episode about Johnny Tsunami.
Oh, it's true.
So I'm gonna I think I found the twins photo. I found all the Mariah Carey photos that we've done. Wow, I'm going through like the okay. Oh, I found it.
Nailed it. Perfect. All right. Yeah, throw that on the Canva. So wait, what was I? Oh, about Salute Your Skorts.
Yes. Tell people. You can tell people what other episode you did as well. We can.
Yeah, I did. The other episode was Brink, which is a fantastic movie from Disney about skateboarding. No, it's about rollerblading, and we watched it, and then we talked about it in this episode that'll be coming out later on. And Brink is a fantastic movie that has the most cartoonishly over-the-top villain played by, what's his name?
Oh,
we were talking about
Knievel guy. He's in everything. He's like, how do I upload something into Canva? Oh, uploads.
Yeah, you got to go to uploads. But keep an eye out at Salute Your Skorts, and you can find that on Spotify and iTunes, and there's so much stuff on it. There's NSYNC stuff.
Look, there you are.
Look at how much stuff of me there is on there.
There's so much of you. Okay, I can't believe this isn't already in here, but I will.
But go check out Salute Your Skorts. There's episodes on Are You Afraid of the Dark? There's episodes on Johnny Tsunami. There's episodes on The Parent Trap. There's episodes on...
This is a bit of a exclusive. Here. I just finished editing Rockadoodle, which I think is one of my favorite episodes we've done. We're actually releasing it early because Sarah and I have not stopped thinking about it since we recorded it. Because, first of all, if you've never seen Rockadoodle, what a masterpiece. But it's one of the funniest episodes I think we've done. And if you're a Rockadoodle fan, y'all need to check it out. Okay, wait, I'm going to move this stuff around. I'm going to make this a different color.
Okay.
I'm going to make it like a purple. Yeah. And then I'm going to make this White and
What?
live stream, please.
Dr. G is editing Newsies today.
Yes.
I didn't know you guys did Newsies. That's fantastic.
Oh yes, of course. I mean, we're doing all of Kenny Ortega's canon. Okay. Here
Now it's time to seize the day.
Okay, please. We need people to join. Oh, I should put the link, or I guess the link will be in the tweet.
Well, they're not gonna. Yeah, they're not gonna be able to click the picture.
Yeah, because it's gonna be a video. Because that eye patch is dancing.
That's right, and that's the important part.
Okay, now that I've done this, the most important part of the stream, what bots should we bot today?
Well, we gotta get your Brittany bot back up, right? Because she was an Azure function.
Yes.
So we gotta bring her to life.
Did another bot perish? I was actually, if Sarah's still on the stream, I was thinking. Oh, okay, so I was like thinking this morning. I wanted to come here with some fresh ideas, PJ. I was like, I need to like think. So I was thinking of like weekday things. Kylie Robinson tweeted that like that meme of
the picture of it's only Wednesday.
It's only Wednesday. I thought that could be a good one, but I couldn't. Inspiration was not striking. However, I kept thinking of Sarah because Sarah recently shared with me, you know, the Ashley Simpson song "Pieces of Me," where it's like, on a Monday, I am waiting. On a Tuesday.
Yeah.
I was thinking of Sarah's "Pieces of Meat" version, and I was like, oh, we could do like on a Monday she tweets like, I am waiting. But I feel like that's too niche. I feel like only like 10 people will understand that.
I mean, no one follows my bots. I've got a Taking Bot Sunday. I've got Bot Thugs and Harmony. Like I've got too many bots as is.
I am live with PJ. When I'm gonna upload this. I always think of you whenever I upload a video into here. Oh my god, no. No. That's not what I wanted. Didn't know you can't drag and drop. We've learned so much about Twitter doing these streams because PJ learned by making Just Bot Paid that using and uploading a video is a huge file thing in Twitter. So whenever I get frustrated and it's taking like a really long time for my video or my image to load, I just think of you, PJ, and how freaking long it takes. Ooh, is this too long? Let's see. Minimalist Fashion is the name of this video. Minimalist fashion sale promotion. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is great. Here, let me share so people can see the beauty. Yeah, there we go.
Gorgeous.
Gorge. I am live with listener. Oh, and I should do the link. Okay. I'm gonna do this. PJ, do you have any bot ideas that we should work on?
I don't know. I feel like we really ought to figure out Brittany bot because that's real simple and get her up and go because she already has an account. We just need her keys, really.
Yes. I was thinking of an additional feature for Brittany this morning. Let me see if I can remember it. I want to say it was... Okay, I'm trying to think of Brittany's canon, which I do at every moment of every single day.
Wait, what's different from right now from every other day?
I mean, we could add an oops feature. Tell us in the chat if you can think of like a Brittany thing.
Wait, oops! Oops! I did it again. If you just literally, if you ask Brittany bot, did you do this? It goes, oops! I did it again.
And we could do like an Easter egg about the old lady dropping it into the ocean at the end. Because I feel like right now Brittany only tweets out, and I would love to add a feature to Brittany, like a responding feature, like our Mariah bot that we've done in the past. So
how about if you include a diamond? She goes, but no, I thought the old lady dropped that into the ocean. So if you do a diamond emoji,
okay.
I thought the old lady did that in the emotion, dropped it into the ocean. And then we can also have a separate one where if you say, like, Brittany bot, did you do this? It goes, oops, I did it again.
I
Or
like
do
this.
we?
The only thing about the ocean is I'm like, what scenario? Like, I'm trying to think of like, what scenario do you call on Brittany to mention the ocean? You know what I mean? Like, I don't
Oh,
know.
well, I think it's just for funsies. Like,
Yeah,
because I know,
yeah.
like, Mariah is like to say I don't know her, and I know that Ariana Grande is to be like, thank you, next. I think this one's just to be like, I just want to see Britney Bot say a thing.
Well, I can think of one scenario in which I would have used it, which is our good friend Misty Madonna tweeted a photo of the Heart of the Ocean necklace, and in that specific scenario, actually, that tweet still exists. We can just build it to reply to that tweet. Misty would be thrilled.
Just that tweet only. Fine, we'll get the tweet ID and we'll just reply to that one directly.
Also, I'm genuinely upset that I don't own that necklace, and I think I need to go onto Wish and buy it. Like, that just seems like that would be such a great statement piece where you like go out to dinner with friends and they're like, "Is that?" And it's like, yeah, the old lady dropped in the ocean and Ty went.
And Ty went swimming and he found it.
So yeah, I like that. Okay.
Shout out Ty for diving to the bottom of the ocean and getting it.
Okay. Are we to believe in that music video that astronaut is also a diver? Like, is he just like a multi-talented? Like, I mean, I don't think those skills translate, but
he's astronaut John Dexter from 30 Rock. He does everything.
That is true. Okay. I also thought of one other bot. Speaking of 30 Rock, I was just like trying to think of like iconic things that I would want to see on like a daily basis. And one that I thought of was, do you remember when, was it like Tracy Morgan's wife had like a reality show similar to the Real Housewives?
Queen of Jordan.
30 Rock? Queen of Jordan with Daphne.
Daphne.
And I was thinking, what if we just did a bot that went ham every day?
Ham. It's my way or the highway. There's got to be a few 30 Rock Twitter bots out there.
What if we did 30 bot and it just like, I'm starting to watch 30 Rock from the beginning, so maybe we just add different things like the rural juror, like, I don't know, maybe there's something there. There's something there. After Britney bot, that'll be what we work on.
All right, I'd love a 30 Rock bot. 30 bot for sure.
30 bot.
There's
Tell us in the chat
what
you think
Wednesday.
Or a night cheese, like at night it tweets like time for night cheese.
Working on the night cheese. Lemon, I heard you singing night cheese. I think Tracy Jordan quotes could be good.
Oh my god, there's like a quote from Tracy Jordan I used to say all the time that was like something my dreams have come to life like toys in Toy Story or something like that. I used to quote it word for word all the time. Okay, you're inspiring me. I was like, here's the thing. I want to rewatch 30 Rock from the beginning because like I don't think I've seen all of them, but I just really do not like Alec Baldwin, so it's hard to watch. But I think I can like pull through for everyone else.
He's not meant to be like a likable character. He's meant to be like, especially in the first season, he's meant to be like the bad guy. But eventually you discover he has a heart of gold. What is happening in my pencil box?
I saw that Alec Baldwin's daughter TikToked something where it was like, they call me Stacey. It was that, but it was like, I didn't watch it. I just saw the news article for it in my Google News today. That's like Alec Baldwin's daughter posts TikTok, and it was that, but it was like, they call me, and it was like, you're a stupid lazy pig. Remember that voicemail that Alec Baldwin left his daughter?
That's right.
I know. Later, I was like, this girl has a sense of humor. Because, like,
that's
wow.
We love it. Okay.
Also, quick shout out to how much I dislike Hilaria Baldwin. I think that she's very problematic. Anyway, let's get to botting and not dragging Baldwin. I'm like spicy now that I'm not employed.
You can say whatever you want, and it's dangerous.
Like, sipping my tea. Okay. I have the login info for Britney bot.
Okay,
Let me make sure I have that.
We need the login info.
Oh. And for people who are just joining, this is a bot stream. You probably saw our beautiful ad on Twitter if you're joining for the channel.
True.
If you want to watch back, we made that live on the air through Canva. Shout out to Canva. Please sponsor us. But I left Microsoft in December, and unfortunately, some bots perished because of that exit, because I had free Azure credits and we were just like running on, oh my God, Logic apps. I almost forgot what they were called, which are great. Logic apps are great. They're like a set it and forget it kind of cron job thing. But if you don't have an Azure account, it's kind of like, I'm not going to pay for that. So PJ, how have you been running? This is actually a real question. I'm not just asking this for the audience. The bots that don't exist in Azure anymore, which I believe we've taken all of them off of Azure for the most part.
They're the ones that
how are you
I
hosting
own.
them?
So
Yes.
I have, oh, hold on, I'm on the wrong browser. Let me pull up my personal browser real quick. So basically, I had them hosted, the repos on GitLab, and I have it connected to Heroku. And
Okay.
every time I update the main branch, some CI/CD runs, and it automatically deploys to Heroku.
So, 2 questions. So we have 2 kinds of bots, right? We have the ones that like tweet something every day or every 15 days for just bot paid. And then we have the bots that respond to things. So when I've only played with Heroku very briefly, like in my post bootcamp time. Is this just basically hosting all the code for us? And then when someone tweets at Mariah bot, it just like hits that instance and then it like responds? Or is that what Heroku's doing for us?
Heroku is a, well, hold on, I need my authenticator from my phone. And it's funny, I just talked to a coach and I was talking about how much I should be off my phone more often. But here I need it, so whatever, Coach Ray. Hold on. Ignore Heroku. All right. So yeah, Heroku has what's called dynos, and each dyno has like a certain amount of space on it, and so I have all of the Diva bots inside of here, and it's just connected to this GitLab instance. So like all the code is here, but Heroku is just running it. It's like when you look in the logs, you can see my Kickstart thing kicked off.
Yeah.
Oh. What happened here? Someone tried to tweet at Shania Bob, but it didn't work.
Oh, wait. What is that, Bob? What am I looking at? Oh, is that a feature?
That's a console log from
Oh, yes.
Dr. Guthel, sir, your name is Philip. One L, but yeah. Shania. So this is Shania's code. Where's the
right there.
So when Let's Go Girls gets called, that's every time she says Let's Go Girls.
I think I remember us doing that. Okay. I was probably really stoned when we did that. Okay. That makes a lot of sense.
It's possible.
Okay. So we need to, with Brittany bot. She doesn't have it. She's not in Roku at all.
No, but what you can do is you can, to get onto Heroku, there's 2 ways to deploy. You can use the Heroku CLI. You can also connect it to a GitHub repo. And if it's connected to the GitHub repo, automatically fires when the main branch is updated. I had to do that manually with some CI/CD on GitLab, but it works the same way. It just says, your main branch was updated. Go to this page.
Back. Yeah, I just need to like screenshot this beautiful insync.js, mariah.js. Like this is, I'm gonna check this out. Okay, gorge. Okay, as you were. So walk me through the steps of what we have to do to get our DB on here.
So basically we got to write the code because before it was being handled by Logic Apps, where you basically connected a Twitter account, said tweet this at this time.
Can we just copy Mariah? Wait, which Shania bot?
Shania, Mariah, and Badiana all do the same thing. It's all the same code, just with slightly different function names and slightly
Except
different.
Mariah doesn't tweet something.
She does. I added something to her.
Oh, the Can't Escape Me, right?
Yeah, she tweets, "Boy, you can't escape me," with a link to a cover of "Always Be My Baby."
I think it's really important that I mentioned that last week I'm a scholar. I'm very literate, and I finished Mariah Carey's audiobook. And I just want to give a shout out to Mariah Carey's audiobook because she narrates and she sings in it. And if you're reading it, stop. You need to listen to the audiobook because she sings on it and she throws shade in the way that she reads things where she'll be like, "Tell me what's wrong." Like, please do yourself a favor. Buy on Audible Mariah Carey's book. It changed my life. And now I'm listening to Andrew Rannell's autobiography, and it's fantastic. Shout out to Audible. Please sponsor us. Okay. We need sponsors.
We need sponsors.
We need it. We need. Look, I don't want to work again, y'all. So, like, give us major sponsorships from Kickstart Mountain Dew,
Canva,
LaCroix, Canva, anyone. Big Milk. We'll even take Big Milk. If
Big
you're
Milk money, that's right.
We'll do
Dr.
it.
Guthels is halfway through the audiobook. It's amazing.
Oh, so good. It's so good. Okay. So
first step, steal my code for Shania.
Okay.
Second step, like take that locally and like make it like a .env file, which is what I've been doing.
Okay.
Stick your keys in that .env file. Set up the git ignore, all that stuff. Change the functions to the way you want. There's a few npms you need to install. You need twit. You need env. You need this thing, node schedule. Actually,
okay.
You know what we have?
Jesse's in the chat saying "Make mine milk," which I found out was the British version of "Got milk." Make mine water. Big Milk. I see you. I know what you're doing. This is a conspiracy. Sarah and I are going to do a Patreon episode. Another plug for Salute Your Squirts. We're starting a Patreon, and we're going to talk about the conspiracy that is Big Milk. If you lived in the US, you're familiar with the Got Milk campaign. Sarah and I did a deep dive onto why Got Milk exists. It's insane. If you go to their website, it's like dogs fart all the time, and we don't kill them. Like, it's not bad because it's like cows fart, and it's like CO2 emissions. And dogs barf, and there's like CO2, and I'm like, do not come for dogs. Like, this is where I draw the line. Anyway, there will be a Big Milk episode. Okay. Oh yes, Sarah dropped the Patreon link in my Twitch if people want to sign up. Okay.
Y'all want to support?
Right, we're not giving any more airtime to Big Milk.
That's right. So you just honestly, to get it up and running, like I said, just a couple node packages. Node schedule twit.env. You create a .env file. You create a config file that points to the end file. You make it run locally.
PJ, you should drop a link to this in the chat. This is like a blog post you wrote, right?
Yeah. Actually, let me do, because I repeated it for the beginner code people they did Codeland.
Yes.
Coding newbie. Let me find it.
Sarah, you should come on next time and make a bot with us, like Ashley Simpson bot or something, or Salute Your Squirts bot. I'd love, honestly, PJ, after we fix Brittany, maybe next week, I would love to finally make that bot that tweets out when I'm going live. That just like is triggered by maybe the Twitch API or YouTube or something. That when I go live, I don't have to tweet like Chloe is live.
Yeah.
Sarah, don't worry if you've never made a bot, because PJ and I had never made a bot before, and you see this stream, it's chaotic. All we do is play with Canva and talk about Big Milk, and we have made, I would say hundreds of bots, but 5s to 6
fives of bots. I have a stream deck button for it, yeah. But no, I know that my teammates at GitLab just made a bot for our Slack, or added to a bot on Slack that checks when any of us are live on Twitch and sends an alert out to the rest of the team.
Ooh, Trezzy says, gotta use Twitch webhooks for going live notifications, but otherwise it's not too bad. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So works. It's out there. It's doable.
Did I see someone was making a Bruno bot?
Yeah. The we don't talk about Bruno bot. It was my 1,000th follower, actually. Was the bot? Let's see. I don't know what it does yet, though. He's still working on it.
I would say if someone tags the account and says Bruno, it says we don't talk about that.
That's what I was thinking, right? Dang, 1,002 followers. I made it, y'all. Yeah, T.O. Bruno bot. Which I have to. That's from the movie.
It is?
Yeah.
I remember that part. Sarah probably does.
It's how he entertains himself. The mice like stick their heads through, and that's how he's.
Wait, click on it. Are those real mice?
It's from the movie.
Oh, they're fake?
Yeah.
They look real.
3 to 5 times a day. Ooh.
I feel like that was Little Mermaid for me when I was Ayla's age. When I was 4, I was just constantly watching Little Mermaid.
All right, let's actually make a bot. Do you want to make it? Do you want me to make it? Do you want to pull up like VS Code?
You know what? This is a new computer, so I don't think I have all the stuff on it. So I may, for this stream, follow along with you, and then when we stream next week, I'll have all my developer stuff on here. Because your girl doesn't have a work computer.
I was going to say, gone. All right, so right now, that's my 8-bit. So
you made an 8-bits Twitter bot?
Yeah, it takes the most recent episode from the JSON of episodes on the website, and it tweets it out. So like on the 14th and the 28th. On the 14th and 28th, it's like, hey, here's our most recent episode.
Okay, Sarah, we should do that. I feel like we should. Well, we'll talk. Sarah, we'll talk. I feel like that's a good bot for us to build. Maybe we like bring PJ on. Maybe that's a Patreon episode. Okay.
Maybe. All right, I need to go to. I can just add this bot to my divas if you want.
Sure.
Because it's already hosted in here. It would go right into this dyno and it would just work, kind of. So let me think about how to do this best. VS Code. Let's open up divas.
I'm also thinking we don't have a Celine Dion bot.
Oh man, a Celine Dion bot would be good.
Who's so popular on the TikToks right now. So while PJ sets this up, I need to share that he sent a TikTok to me this morning that shook me to my core, which is someone had the idea of making a Muppet Phantom of the Opera, and I'm spoiling it for everyone, but this person decided that Beaker should be Christine in Phantom, and like honestly I've not heard a better casting in my life, and I keep thinking of like sing me, and it's just like Beaker being like me. So everyone look at that TikTok. I feel like Bruno Bot should tweet random gifs from his mouth shows, but if somebody mentions Bruno Bot, then an Abuela Bot should reply with, we don't talk about Bruno. That's a good idea. I love that. I need to watch. I've only seen Encanto once. I need to watch it again. I've seen everyone's up in arms. What song is nominated for an Oscar? I don't recognize the name of it. Sarah, tell me. It's like, I thought it said orangutan, but that's not what it was. I just briefly saw it on my newsfeed. But I know that only certain songs can get nominated for Oscars. So I guess, I don't know. I don't know why it's not Bruno. They didn't know it would be the smash hit that it was, I guess.
Let's see, taking notes, and then maybe Maribel Bot. Bruno.
Yeah, about that.
Sorry, there's a whole family of the family Madrigal.
Yeah, I love that. Housebot. That's just like, I'm breaking. I don't know.
A candle bot that just like slowly dims itself.
Oh, you know what? Okay, maybe there's a world in which maybe this is a longer term project. we do the rose from Beauty and the Beast, and then you like tweet something at it to like make the rose come to life. That was an IoT project I've been having on my back burner for a while, is to make the rose from Beauty and the Beast like a light up rose that when someone rings the doorbell or something or calls me, that it like comes back to life.
All right. I need Brittany bots for real deal. Let's see. Because I know her account's here somewhere. Brittany.
Ooh, and I think You Should Leave bot could be interesting too. I gotta think about which I need to like rewatch I Think You Should Leave and think of a good reoccurring one.
I got so excited when Marjorie Taylor Greene recently was like talking about gazpacho instead of Gestapo. Because
wait, who's Marjorie Taylor Greene?
She's a congressperson from Georgia, and I'm not the biggest fan of her. But she was trying to say Gestapo. She was like, she said gazpacho, and I immediately found the GIF of him like eating people going, "Gazpacho, burn my tongue."
Wait, I have it. We need an I Can't Stop Drinking Wine bot.
I can't stop drinking wine.
Okay, I'm gonna rewatch.
I'm afraid of how much I need wine.
One of the my favorite Halloween costumes that I saw this last year was a girl dressed as Patty Harrison from that sketch, and then her boyfriend was dressed as Charlie Brown with strings coming off of all of his appendages.
I'm scared of the Charlie Brown.
I'm scared
of the big pants. All right, so here's what's happening in the code. I love a console log to start. It lets me know that it started, that it's good. We've got this this is related to our package JSON for develop. It runs the node environment in develop, and it runs divas.js. So eventually we're going to have to require.
Gotcha.
But I can't type. Ooh, and that's going to be botany.js, which sounds like botany, but it's not. Okay. And what happens is in botany, it's like, hey, you need the .n config in order to run. And those, the values for those are in Heroku. They're stored in Heroku. Like, it's literally just a list of like environment variables that we have there. So that's where we're going to put your keys for your Twitter bot eventually.
Okay. Wait, where in
It'll be in Heroku.
Gotcha. Okay. That makes sense. That's like, I like that. So it's basically what we were doing in Azure, where we were saving that in the thingy.
Right.
I'm such an Azure girl.
This is Node Schedule, and thank you, O'Leary Crew, who's in the chat right now, who taught me about Node Schedule back in like 2020. But when you install it, it just lets you make a rule, basically, like a recurrence rule, and you're like, hey, every day at this time, and you even get to set a time zone, and you attach that rule to a function, and the function fires at that time. More like Azure if girl.
I'm nobody's girl. I'm just.
That's right.
Thriving. I'm on island time.
Great. I'm gonna make that 01. All right. Then we use Twit to connect to the Twitter API. Like I said before, config. That's gonna be config BRIT, because that's the new one right here. And that just points consumer key, access token, all that stuff to the environment variable.
And that's all in Heroku. Okay.
And that's all in Heroku. This is the stream. It's constantly looking for its Brittany bot. You actually don't need the stream if your bot is just tweeting on a schedule. But you do need it if it's tracking to make sure to check what's happening. So it's constantly looking for references to its Brittany bot with this stream.
Do we want to do that?
Yes, because eventually if we want her to respond to people, we need the stream.
Yeah. Okay.
And then this just turns it on.
Don't mind me. I'm just Googling all of Britney Spears canon to see if there's like something we should. Britney Spears songs. I just want to get some inspo to see if there's a different call and response thing we should do. Oh man. God, her song catalog is just like, we don't deserve
Impressive.
Britney. She's just the best. Even Soda Pop is a bop.
We can have the regex be. We talked about this at the beginning. What we're gonna have be the trigger phrase to make Britney Bot respond, and just a diamond emoji somewhere in the tweet, and we can have her respond with. But I thought the old lady dropped that in the ocean.
Should it be just a diamond or a diamond and a blue heart?
Diamond and a blue heart. I think we just have to do heart. Oh, why is that so small?
Nah, just a diamond. Just maybe.
I think just diamond.
Or diamond in an ocean, or diamond in a ship.
Maybe a ship.
And a piece of ice. Too soon?
Oh god, passenger ship, ferry, ship.
Which one looks the most like the Titanic?
Well, also, it has to work with, because Twitter has its own emojis.
Oh, right. Then let's just do the ocean. No, just the diamond. This is diamond. Diamond's fine.
I think just diamond, because then you just show up anywhere.
Delta diamond.
So there'll be a lot of diamond tweets, sure, but it has to be. It's not any tweet with a diamond. It's they tagged her and used the diamond.
Yes.
So Tracy Code said the API handles emoji conversions, but there's like 3 different ships. Yeah, the diamond will be fine. I'm worried about there's 3 different ships if we were going to do a ship. Oh man, I tried to add a promise here and I don't know why. Why is that there?
This I promise you. That's why I'm thinking of it.
Yeah, you could if the ship's in the regex, but I'd rather not. Let's keep it simple. All right, we don't need that promise.
We don't need this ship, okay?
We don't need this ship. So then we need something other than impressive, because that's what we used before for impress me much. And we like to name our variables fun.
Let impressive. So this, how about let, hold on. I'm going back to the songs here. Let womanizer. No. Let
womanizer.
Oh man. Lucky. No. Let the gem of the heart of the ocean. Is that what? Let heart of the ocean equal. No.
What heart of ocean? Oh no! Let hit me, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, replace it. And
ooh, feature request.
Yeah.
If we have time today or on the next stream, one of my favorite memes that I've seen is people will share, even I've tweeted this out, the picture of Britney Spears with the snake, and it says Britney Spears with Jamie Lynn. I think we need to drag Jamie Lynn in some way with this bot.
All right, so
Let
we've got
womanizer.
I think there might be room for womanizer down here, actually. All right, so we've got heart of the ocean equals hit me baby dot length greater than 0. Then we log hit me baby. So hit me baby is a empty array or the text match with this. So if it matches, it creates an array with just the diamond in it. Okay. So if there's anything in this array, then it worked. There was a diamond in the tweet somewhere. So if there's anything in the array, if it's greater than 0, then Heart of Ocean is true.
Okay. Love it.
Heart of Ocean is true. Heart of the Ocean is true if text includes Brittany Bot. And if it includes, it's Brittany Bot and Heart of the Ocean, which remember is whether or not Hit Me Baby has something in the array. So if this is true and text includes it's Brittany Bot, then a reply gets started, and that's what we have to decide here.
Loves it.
And it should be. Hold on, we gotta know exactly what it is.
But I thought you dropped in the ocean in the end.
That's from Oops, I Did It Again, right?
Yeah.
Oops, I Did It Again?
Yeah.
Don't worry, there won't be sound.
You could also Google lyrics, but if you want to hear
that's not lyrics. Is that in the song or is it just in the video?
It has to be. Oh my god. Wow. I dressed as this for Halloween a couple years ago.
I was gonna say how long ago, but it's only a couple years ago. Where did you get
a couple years ago? Wish.com. And when I tell you that zipper went from neck to top of butt because it was Wish.com. Wow.
There
that
it is.
Some Thumbelina hair on Brittany right there.
Beautiful. But wait a minute, isn't this? Yes, it is. But I thought the old lady dropped it into the ocean in the end.
But I thought the old lady dropped it into the ocean at the end.
Is it in the ocean or into the ocean?
Into the ocean. There we go. ... Right? Like that works best.
Yes. That's perfect. That's perfect.
This guy.
I wonder where he is now. Like, what is his life? What is he doing? Is he booking? Like, does he
Is
talk
this on
about
IMDb?
I don't know. They do put music videos in IMDb.
They put music videos on there. We'll see.
God, I used to have. I say used to have. I still have my PS2 Britney's Dance Grooves like game, and I used to. It was basically DDR, but you played it with Britney Spears, and you were a backup dancer auditioning for her. But I didn't have the dance pad, so I just did it on my PlayStation controller. One of the best games out there, I gotta say. Ooh, where are we now?
Astronaut goes to Mars to give Britney a special necklace.
Okay, that is not the story of this
That is
video.
the story.
I guess. Is she an alien? I don't know. 3 nominations. David
Roundtree as Hunk. Eli Swanson as astronaut.
Is he a director now? He looks like a director in that picture.
Is he
David
the Hunk?
Roundtree.
Is that the Hunk?
What's he up to? Oh.
He was in State of the Union. Okay,
he was,
I was
trucker hat guy on the OC.
Oh man, he's still working. Good for him.
He's booking, booked and
Yeah,
blessed.
co-director,
producer, writer.
All right, bud.
Click on actor.
You go, Glen Coco.
Who the fuck is Uncle Joe? Okay, well, he's booking. I don't know if these are legitimate, but he's booking.
Right? He's booking.
Good for him.
And then I guess astronaut Eli Swanson.
Wait, go to all cast and crew? Are they only showing top? Like, where's man watching from afar? He doesn't want to be credited.
He said,
Wow.
Keep my name out of it, please.
Wow.
Don't tell anyone.
I would be telling everyone, honestly.
I'd be telling everyone too. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And that's it. We just need this function.
Wait,
Let's go.
console.log. You can't. That's not canon.
What are you talking about?
Should right up there. We
Oh,
can't
this
go girls.
one. Okay.
That
Okay.
should be.
So that's for an error.
I'm not a girl, not yet an error.
I thought you were going for I'm not that innocent.
I'm not that consular. God, all of her songs are so good. I'm just like looking through every time. So good. Lucky. So wait. No.
Oh.
I was gonna say we could have her tweet out, this is a story about a girl named Lucky. Which an autobiographical. But
True.
she could wait, that's not
Oh, I thought it was
lyrics.
Cries All Night, but she cries.
Is it? I don't know. Hold on.
I don't know what the lyrics are. You're the Britney fan. I was listening to cool music like Mudvayne.
But she
Cries in her lonely heart.
used to figure skate to that song. So.
How about then why do these tears come at night? I think that's a good one.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I was
always
very
tell-
anti-Britney at the time.
Wow, I'm glad you got through that because I don't think we'd be sitting here today if that was the case. I remember the first time I heard Britney Spears. Like, I remember where I was, what I was doing. Changed my life. Changed the course of human history. I used to figure skate, and my mom made roller skating outfits. And like this one girl, like I remember it was like da da da, and I was like, what is this
What is that?
piano chord? What is this? And this girl was like figure skating. She's like, show me how you want it. I was like, who is singing this? I'm like running.
I'm just imagining like a Zolly effect on you, and there's like the concrete stairs of the seating area and the ice rink behind you, and you've got like one skate like up, and you're taking off like the protective thing, but you've stopped halfway through because you can't stop listening.
Truly, it was a lot like that because like you have to remember this was pre-streaming, even like Sirius XM radio. So the place I used to skate really only played the same 12 songs on rotation, which I remember was lying naked on the floor and like might as well be walking on the sun, to give you an idea. And when I heard this new song, I was like, what is this?
I've got
Console.
this function needs to be renamed. Hold on, function. Toxic. There we go. Toxic.
Yeah.
You know what's crazy about node schedule is
What?
you create this variable job1, and that calls. You don't have to call the variable.
What? Wait, hold
I
on.
don't know how it works. It's witchcraft. I promise
Schedule jobs rule. Wait, what do you mean?
So like, see this? Like in the
Mhm.
rules, it's like, oh, create like a variable, but like this, it doesn't. It just calls it, and I don't know how.
Oh. Wait,
No clue.
schedule job rule toxic. Well, probably because of earlier in the code, is it where we do the
We like
Is it
named
something
the
to do with
rule and
that?
everything, but the fact that it's attached to a constant, but there it is. It's never read, but this works.
let's not question it, it's just witchcraft.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. All right.
Wait.
Do-do-do.
Oh, Bitbot. I got concerned we spelled Brit. Wait, did we spell Britbot or is that no, that's Bit Project Bot. Never mind.
That's a bit. That's 8-bit.
Okay.
So it's Brittany Bots. Node schedule. This is going to be at 12:01 Eastern time. Do you want it at a different time?
Yeah, I think it was tweeting at 8 or 9 a.m. Pacific. Oh yeah,
So that'll
that's
be-
Eastern.
11. Yeah. So that's
I
8
love to
a.m.
start the day.
That's right. You got to start your day with Brittany. All of this is the same. All of this is the same. Do-do-do-do-do. Tweet event is triggered. That's the regex with the diamond. Name is never read. Oh, I know what we need. Hold on. This needs to be a. Wait, no, how do we do that? I know this. I was remembering
says,
Python.
don't you know this air is toxic? Wait, that's so sweet? What?
That's what. So, like, the person who sent the tweet, she's gonna say that's so sweet. But I thought the old lady dropped because isn't that what she said in the music video?
I don't think she
Right?
says that's so sweet. She goes, "Oh, you shouldn't have." She goes, "But is this?" Yeah, yes, it is.
Oh.
She's like, "Wait a minute, is this? Wait, what if we did? Wait a minute, name is this?"
But that's.
Oh my god.
But wait a minute, isn't this? But I thought the old lady dropped it into the ocean in the end.
Well, baby, I went down and got it for you.
Oh, you shouldn't have.
I got
what
it.
if
I got it.
"Ah, you shouldn't have name"?
Yeah. Like at the end, right?
But how the old lady dropped into the ocean in the end. Ah, you shouldn't have name. Okay. Put a comma after ah. And then maybe a ... but, and then a question mark after end. Yeah. What are you putting? Like a surprised face?
I'm trying to think of like kind of like embarrassed, but like not like happy, bashful, but like a oh no.
Maybe like a cry happy emoji?
Because she's not happy. She's saying, I made you fall in
perfect,
love.
perfect.
When she says you shouldn't have, she's really saying, hey, that was dumb.
Yeah. Also, we can only assume that necklace is cursed. Like,
I mean,
Davy Jones' locker. Do you want to hear my favorite joke I used to tell when I was 4 years old that I
oh my
made up?
God. Yeah, I
It's not
absolutely want to hear this.
It's not a joke. It's just a statement that I recently found written down in an old journal. It says, I went down to Davy Jones' locker, but I don't have the combination. That's the joke. There's nothing else. That's just it.
Oh, but I forgot. I never showed you that I figured out how to make all the sounds come through.
That's great. I love that. Is that on your Stream Deck? I just saw there's a Stream Deck pedal.
Yeah. There's like pedals you can add now.
I need you to add one that's like feeling hot, hot, hot.
Like Michael Scott saying it.
Yeah. You guys, PJ sent a video to our group chat of him with his new drum set he got for Christmas, and he just said, "My poor wife," and it was just him like waiting to hit the drum, and it was such Michael Scott energy. It was.
Did I? I don't think I posted it on TikTok, but I should have. It was good. This bot is, as far as I can tell, ready.
Serving us body, yaddy, yaddy.
Yaddy, 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 yaddy.
Ooh, Trezzy has the pedal.
Trezzy has the pedal! What does it do?
You get it? It's basically just like, so your hands are free.
It's just
it's
more
just
buttons.
Like a drum kit. You just like freaking like, what if you just use it and it's like, boom, like, I mean,
that's what the pedal comes with a preloaded rim shot. You know what I do need, Chloe, is I need the keys from you.
Yes. Okay. Ooh, I need to log into Twitter for that, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Let me go in incognito.
I
did see, we should talk about this on the stream because this is interesting, pertinent news to us, that I want to say like a month ago, Twitter posted this thing that was like, we're like regulating what bots can on our website, which, listen, y'all, I worked at Coinbase for a brief period of time, and there were so many bots, like similar to the t-shirt bots that would pop up anytime I didn't even tag Coinbase. I just mentioned the word Coinbase, that are these phishing attempts to be like, hey, if you need help, fill out this Google form. Can you imagine? I mean, people fall for this stuff, but it happens. But I think that Twitter they tweeted something from their Twitter safety account or something that basically was like, we're going to be regulating what kind of bots can be created on the site. Thank God, because there's so many malicious bots. But I was like, oh God, don't hurt our divas, please, please, please. I'm like, who do we need to talk to like make sure our divas don't? But our divas aren't malicious at all. So
no,
I think
and it's also, I think it's like to like label bots to be like, this is a bot. Yeah. Here's what it does, and like I'm totally fine with that. I'm actually talking with a senior developer advocate at Twitter. Shout out Jessica Garson. Her and I are going to start working together to try and figure out like some ways to make bots easier to make for regular developers and a little more accessible. So like, I'm really stoked to work with Jessica on that. I was even talking to her. I was like, so this is how I make bots. She was like, oh, we try and have people not do it that way. I was like, oh, well, I had no idea. So let's work together.
Interesting.
But Jessica's dope. We had her on 8-Bits actually on Tuesday, and her episode is going to come out end of the month.
Wait, it says this isn't the right password. Oh my God. Hold on. I'm going to click
you gotta find password. That password.
I don't know if it's under the Oh, it's under confirmation code is sent to. Oh God. Is this
is it my number?
Something at hotmail.com or at H star at H star.
For Brittany?
Oh. Yeah, did we make a
You made Brittany with somebody.
I did with Dan.
With Daniel?
Hold on. But I started it with you. Hold on. What would this email be? See, this has been for people who've never made a bot before. Twitter actually is really good at making sure you can't like make multiple accounts to like harass people, which is great, but it has made making these bots really difficult. I guess we must have made, hold on, I don't have access to this information. What will this do? Regain access. I need to regain access. Oh no. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna figure this out. I already have an account, yes. It's Brittany. Am I spelling it right? That would be.
It's Brittany B-O-T-T.
It's Brittany B-O-T-T-S or B-O-T-T?
Just B-O-T-T.
Login. Oh, it worked. Okay, it worked. I think I was doing one T. So
oh God, someone with a different bot is like, who's hacking me?
I know, right? So I need to go to settings and privacy. Is that where that is?
So no, once you're logged into it on Twitter, you actually go to, and can I show your screen?
Yes. Let me move this over. Yes.
Okay.
But I don't want to show my keys.
No, I hear you. So you actually need to go to your Twitter developer page. So stay logged in.
I'm gonna retweet this. Okay.
Okay, so it's not there. It's a whole different website. Go to your address bar and just type Twitter developer. You have a commanding keyboard. So use cases tutorial. Your keyboard's like ja ja ja.
What?
I love it. Like when you type, your keyboard is powerful, and I love it.
How?
I don't know. I hear it when you type.
It's just on the computer. That's wild. Okay.
Oh,
I see.
Go ahead and click her face. What does it say? Oh my gosh. You never had to do this before. You actually have to request developer access for Brittany.
Oh shit. I guess we didn't do that before. How?
You didn't have to. Sign up.
Oh, we might not be able to do this today.
We'll see.
What's your name?
But this is an important part of the process too.
Wait. I put my name?
I put the bot's name.
Brittany Bot.
Britney Spears.
Is this a new thing, or I didn't have to do? Oh, I didn't have to do this because it was through Azure and I just logged in with it.
Right, exactly. Actually,
what's your use case? Making a bot.
Yep. You are not doing any information available to the government.
I mean, but the government might be interested in this.
Apparently, NASA is very interested in what Brittany does.
A valid email address is required. Okay, I'll put our divas. We have a diva bot.
We do?
Let me find that. I made it when I was having trouble. Let me find it. when it wouldn't let me make more because I'd reached the limit of let's see, I think it's like
if you have a Gmail, you can just stick a dot somewhere.
divaslivebots@gmail.com. Divas live bot? Wait, that's not a password. Hold on. Let me move this over here.
There we go. I was gonna say, do you want me to stop?
Oh crap, you can't paste into an incognito window? What's this?
What is this?
Okay, hold on. It's happening. Vamp, PJ, vamp.
Did anyone know that I am here and I can sing a pretty song? I had Chinese food for lunch, yo. Best idea ever. It was brilliant.
That sounds fabulous. divaslivebots@gmail.com.
This place near me does like $8 lunch specials, and it's fantastic.
Wait, how do I do the thing where I add the dot to the email?
You just stick a dot anywhere in your name. And
like, no.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh. Verification code. Okay. The name on this Gmail account is Chloe Spears. Forgot about that. Okay, verify. Okay, cool. All
right.
So, okay, did that work? Wait, is this it? What's happening?
Let me see. That's the username. Yep. Important message. Yep. And next.
And then when I click this, what did I...
Scroll.
Oh, okay. What is your name? Brittany. Something that I find very amusing that I discovered the other day that actually my boyfriend pointed out to me. So for those who didn't see it, I'm very, very proud of this. But last night I made this beautiful piece of art.
Oh man.
Boba Fett. And when I hashtagged this, look what happens when you write a tweet and you hashtag Book of Boba Fett. People are spelling it. The one that's spelled wrong was trending last night. Book of Boba Fett, like boba tea.
Book of Baba.
Boba Fett. So everyone be careful when you're tweeting. Make sure it's spelled right, because it might not
Book of Boba Tea.
What is your use case? Making a bot.
What else would it be? Yep.
I agree. Okay, now I gotta verify my email.
Diva's live.
Confirm my email. Sweet. Okay, so now I'm gonna refresh this. Wait, was I not logged in? I think I wasn't logged in. Okay, hold on.
You can do it. I'll take you off for a second.
Control, copy link address. I'm gonna open it in here. There we go. Okay, we're verified. We're in.
All right, we're in.
Make sure that you name your app. App Brittany bot. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take this over here. Say get keys. Okay, I've got keys.
Okay, so you need to send your keys to me if you want to.
I can
make like a Google document. Make like a Google document. You can do it in the private chat if you want, but that's like,
yeah,
I don't know.
Okay, hold on.
And make sure you let me know what each one is when you send it to me, whatever it is. Or you can do like a Google document and put them all in there and just share it with me.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in the private chat. Let's see if I can freaking find what it. Okay. So what do you need? You need the API key.
Yep.
And okay. Here's the app key.
Take the screen off. All right. Appy. All right, hold on.
Is the secret. Okay. The secret.
It should be. Is that API secret?
This is the API key secret. And I also have, do you
Okay.
need the bearer token?
Nope. What the other one that I need is
That's the only other one. So
No, there's 2 other keys. Hold on, let me get to my settings. Let me get to my vars. There's a access token and an access token secret as well.
interesting. Let's find that. No. Let's see. Skip to dashboard, maybe.
Are your screen keys like, are you looking at like open keys right now, or are they like hidden now that you've pasted them?
They're viewable, but I don't have it in my sharing window.
Okay.
This is weird. Okay, test an endpoint maybe? I only am getting 3 keys. API key secret, and the bearer token.
Here, let me. Oh, no, not that. I'm gonna go to my Twitter developer
Yeah,
and
don't
show
share it there.
you.
Because they don't.
You won't be able to see my keys.
Twitter, I want to make a suggestion for streamers like us. Don't just reveal the keys. Like, have it be a like show key thing, because this is a disaster waiting to happen.
I mean, that's usually it's that you can't see them. So, like, are you in your dashboard?
I'm in.
Because this is my
I'm on-
dashboard.
Oh, mine doesn't look anything like that. Hold on. I'm in developer. How do I get to developer portal? Oh, portal. Whoa, what the? Okay, Twitter, get your life together. Okay. So you're on that page, and then you're clicking what to look at the API
The
keys?
key,
Oh, okay. The key.
and then there's consumer keys, and then there's access token and secret.
No. Hold on. I only have. Oh, access token and secret. I got it. I need to
Okay.
generate it. Okay.
You need to generate it for the first time.
Yeah.
Does it
Access.
have read and write permissions, or does it just have read permissions?
It has. It doesn't say. Where would it say that?
All right. So this is where things changed recently. So you need to. I need to think of where to send you, because there's like.
Oh, you have to like toggle on. This is
You
the
have
thing that we ran into that changed the key after we.
Yes. So go to projects and apps and overview. So if you can see on my screen.
Hold on. Don't share my screen, okay?
I'm not.
Okay. You're going where? Projects and
Projects
apps.
and apps.
Okay.
Overview.
I don't have
Scroll.
overview. Oh, project 1? No.
Projects. What do you have under projects and apps?
I have project 1 and then Brittany bot. There's no overview.
Click Brittany bot.
No. Oh, keys and tokens. Oh, app permissions. Okay.
Yeah. So there
Read
should
only,
be like.
write only, read, write only. But how do I toggle that?
So you need to actually go to user authentication settings, which is in the settings for your app.
What the heck? This is not easy. Wait, so you're clicking on the project and then
Yep.
where?
So my project-
Settings. Okay.
App settings, and scroll
Edit.
down, you'll see user authentication settings and authentication setup.
Wait, I don't have that. Authentication. Ugh. Wait, how did you get there? What you're in? You clicked the project, and then you clicked on keys and tokens. No, I don't have
then
that.
I scrolled down to apps.
Scroll down to apps. I only have one. Hold
And it's
on.
Brittany bot, right?
Oh, there we go. Okay, so you went there, and then what are you doing? You're clicking
App
that.
settings.
Uh-huh.
And then if you scroll down to the bottom, you should see user authentication settings.
Okay, setup. Gotcha. So I
Setup.
need to
Yep.
use 2.0?
You don't.
Okay.
You can do 1.0 is fine. Toggle it on. And then scroll down. Make
Oh,
sure
read and
read and
write.
write is selected.
Oh, direct messages as well.
If you want, but I don't. Callback URI. Literally, I use example.com.
Okay. Okay.
And then website URL, example.com.
Okay.
And then your save button should be lit up so you can click it.
It's not. Probably because I have to put an HTTP before.
Probably HTTPS, yeah.
This is not the easiest to figure out. I'm glad you made a blog post about this. Do you have all this stuff in there?
This surprised me, and like my friend at Twitter was like working on this, and she was like, I'm so glad you said something because we were trying to figure out the best way to do this.
Changing permissions might affect your app. This notification, Twitter, if you're watching, should say and change your tokens because that screwed us up so bad.
That's what screwed us up a long time ago.
Okay.
But once you're able to save, now you're going to regenerate your tokens and you're going to send me all 4.
Gotcha. Okay, so I'm clicking back on project. I'm going to my keys. I should regenerate my API key in secret probably.
Yep.
Okay. And I'm gonna send. Don't share my screen.
I am not. Don't worry.
This is private.
Don't come in, Mom.
API key is this. Here's the API key. Here's the API key secret. And what else do you need? You need the access token in secret.
Yep.
Access token. I just can't get over how Britney Spears' hair and Oops, I Did It Again is the Thumbelina hair from Thumbelina.
I had the biggest crush on Thumbelina.
Truly,
I was in love with Thumbelina.
An icon. I have actually, PJ. Don't get too. Look who's here. Look who's coming here. Let me be your wing.
Oh no. I'm in love.
And also, my big crushie is here as well. Prince Philippe.
Prince Philippe.
Oh, here's Prince Philippe.
There he is.
One shoe.
Wow.
Okay. You should have all the codes now.
All right. I think, by the way, I've got a hard out of, dang it.
In 15.
In 15, yep.
Totally fine. We can come back to it. This is maybe a weekly thing.
All right, hold on. I've got to copy that.
Maybe I'll stream later, y'all. Maybe I'll do some Animal Crossing later. Trezzy, what do you want to do with the pedal? I'm curious, what are people doing with these pedals? Put the pedal to the metal.
Put the pedal to the metal. Alright, I think I did them all.
Okay. Should we test it?
So, I mean, to be fair, since I don't have the files locally to test it, I'm just going to push it to main. And we're just going to see what happens.
Brit. I guess she won't tweet today. So I need to tweet at her.
We can send her a diamond, yeah.
Okay,
so the message is added Brittany bot. Oh yeah, save and commit. Forgot to save. And let's push and pull the.
Let me know when you're ready. I've got a tweet drafted.
We're gonna go and we're gonna watch that pipeline live. Let's go to the CI/CD. Boom, pipeline is running. Look at me, I'm a DevOps.
Wow.
And
how long did it take you to set that up?
The CI/CD?
Yeah.
I found an article for it. They were like, if you what up, Whipch? They were like, if you want to attach to Heroku from GitLab, do this. Oh, I love. So in the chat,
I like what you put. I like Squid 1, Squid 2,
Squid 1, Squid 2, Squid 3, Squid Game.
Squid Game. On a Peloton, I don't use Peloton, but I heard on a podcast that I think one of the Peloton instructors said that in the Sometimes I Run video that one of the dancers very weirdly grabs his groin area, and I need to watch it back and actually confirm.
Illegal. Illegal. Job succeeded. Now we can go to Heroku and we can check the logs on Heroku. Ah, I messed up somewhere. Hold on.
Probably something that says like "yeehaw" somewhere in our code.
Let's see, resources.
You know, they tell you when you go to your boot camp or you're learning to code, like make sure that your function names and your variable names like are specific. And I gotta say, like PJ's variable names are very specific to each project, and it helps us when we just copy and paste from Stack Overflow and redo this. Let's see. Do you want to just walk through?
Hold on. I wanna run it again.
Okay. Also, we can pick this back up next week.
Yeah,
we're like
I can always revert this change, and all the other bots will be okay. Let's watch Heroku. See what we can get, because unless your logs are open on Heroku, it won't show you the problem. So it crashed.
Where?
But we're gonna have to see where. So first off, this has to run.
It said with status 1.
1. That just means it crashed, like it didn't work. And you can see, like above that, it's saying where it crashed, and I'm thinking it's a problem with Node, or it's not a problem with Node, but Node is causing it to crash.
Wait, object.anonymous? Is that something?
No, I'm gonna see at the top, because it's about to do it again.
Yeah.
You just gotta wait. Because normally I would put my environment variables in like an N file locally and test it. Let's see.
Oh. Okay.
All right.
Oh, it's still saying "Let's go, girls." That's fine. One taught me patience.
So it's crashing on the third one. It's crashing at Ariana Grande. So it's saying the error is that it must include an access token when using author token, and there's an access token not working for Badiana. Oh, I think I know what happened here. All right, I gotta stop sharing my screen. Okay. And I might have goofed on Badiana, unfortunately. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just kill Badiana for a second, and I'll fix Badiana later. So let's go to Divas, and we're gonna edit this in the web IDE. And we're just gonna not require Badiana. We're just gonna take her out. I'm gonna commit that domain, and it's gonna run again. I think when I was creating the environment variables for Brittany bot, I think I accidentally replaced one of Badiana's variables.
Wait.
I'll have.
Gotcha. Okay.
So it's because one of them was like access token B, and I copied that and put it down, and I was changing it to Brit, but I think I accidentally deleted it. So my bad, y'all.
All good.
If this one doesn't work, which whatever, but if this one doesn't work, we'll sign off and we will tackle this another time.
Zendaya's Madame Tussauds wax figure is met with mixed reviews.
What's mixed about it?
I think it looks like her.
That's actually her, right? Or is that? Oh, that's
No,
the wax
that's
figure.
the wax.
That's
I think
her.
that's
and
her.
then
That's
the one
the
in front of the
wax.
gold is the wax.
I mean, if it
Are they?
looked
Why are
just
they
like
mad?
her, I don't know. I mean,
Why are you mad? Fix your face.
because of the side part, maybe.
Let's go, girls. I don't want you to I do the do makeup.
I mean, I loved her in Spider-Man. Okay, I've got my tweet ready.
Yeah, give it 1 second. I don't see her console log.
Okay, while you do that, I'm gonna templates.
I should see it's Britney bots. Let's go, girls. I don't want to lock for Christmas. Am I ride? Do the do. Wake up, wake up. Damn sure. Reggae horn noises. And where is its Britney bots? Botany.js. Repository. Require. Dang it. For some reason, the change in divas.js didn't come over, so require botany.js. Commit to me. Last time. Last chance. We can do it.
I'm just adding a breakdancer to our image. Don't mind me.
Anyone else see me just commit a colon?
No, because you're not sharing your screen.
Oh, good. Good. Sorry, it's my first day. Let's cancel that first one.
Nah, the butterfly. I hope everyone's enjoying this art that I'm making.
All right, Chloe. I'm gonna see if this works. I will text you and let you know when it's time to tweet. But this was awesome, and we should definitely do it more often.
We'll do it again. I'm gonna think between now and next week of some other bots we can create. Maybe do one from scratch to show people beginning to end. Here's how you bot. Maybe Sarah will join us.
Oh, I would love it. I would love it. All right, I'm gonna hit that outro video. Thank you all for coming.
Bye.
Bye.